The confrontation between a crocodile and a python has long fascinated viewers because it brings together two of the world's most formidable reptile predators, each equipped with powerful but very different strategies for survival. While videos like those aired by Trans 7 Global dramatize this encounter for audiences, the real-life dynamics behind such a clash reveal a complex interplay of behavior, strength, instinct, and ecological adaptation. When these two reptiles meet in the wild, the outcome is never guaranteed. Both animals belong to ancient evolutionary lineages that have perfected their methods of hunting and defense over millions of years. Understanding how each animal operates helps explain why these battles capture so much attention and why the result can swing in multiple directions depending on specific environmental and situational factors. A crocodile typically enters such a confrontation with a major advantage in brute strength and structural design. Its body is built like a living suit of armor, with thick osteoderms shielding it from bites, constriction, and environmental hazards. The crocodile's jaws close with one of the strongest bite forces recorded in the animal kingdom. Even a single snap, if it lands accurately on the python's body, can crush bones and severely injure the snake. Moreover, the crocodile's semi-aquatic nature provides it with an ideal battleground. Water enhances its agility and power while limiting the python's ability to maneuver or coil effectively. In water, a crocodile can use rotational techniques like the death roll to disable or dismember its opponent, making it the more dominant predator in riverbanks and swamps. The python, however, brings an entirely different skill set to the confrontation. Whereas the crocodile relies on power, the python depends on stealth, flexibility, and a form of muscle strength that works like engineered hydraulics. A python does not need to deliver a dramatic strike to win. Instead, it uses slow, precise movements to wrap its coils around the opponent. Once positioned, the python's musculature can exert immense pressure, cutting off blood flow and air without relying on venom or sharp teeth. For the python, victory depends on controlling the crocodile's ability to move. If the snake manages to loop around the crocodile's torso, neck, or jaw before the crocodile lands a damaging bite, the python can theoretically overpower even a larger adversary. The outcome then becomes a matter of endurance, as the snake must maintain pressure long enough to weaken the crocodile while avoiding the reptile's repeated attempts to thrash or escape. Environmental context plays a huge role in determining which animal has the advantage. In shallow water or dense vegetation, a python may have the leverage it needs to establish a firm grip. On land, especially in open terrain, the crocodile's heavy body may not maneuver quickly, yet its jaws remain a constant threat. In deep water, the python risks drowning if the crocodile manages to submerge it long enough. Each species is adapted to thrive in its preferred habitat. When removed from its comfort zone, its chances of success decrease significantly. As a result, many real-world encounters end with both animals disengaging rather than fighting to the death. These reptiles are instinctive hunters, but they are also survival-driven creatures whose instincts push them to conserve energy and avoid unnecessary injury. In many documented interactions, pythons have successfully preyed on smaller crocodiles or alligators because they targeted juvenile or subadult individuals that lack the size and power of adults. Conversely, large crocodiles have been known to catch and kill pythons before the snakes could establish a coil. The unpredictability is what makes these encounters so captivating on television and online platforms. Audiences witness two apex predators whose abilities are well matched in certain circumstances, creating tension around every movement, tail lash, jaw snap, or tightening coil. Yet behind the spectacle is a natural process shaped by evolution, resource scarcity, and territorial behavior. When reptiles clash, it is rarely a staged battle. It is usually a response to instinct, opportunity, or competition for food and space. Although media presentations sometimes dramatize these events, the reality remains grounded in nature. There is no inherent rivalry between crocodiles and pythons. They do not seek each other out for combat. Their interactions arise from overlapping habitats and the simple fact that each is capable of viewing the other as prey under the right conditions. The fascination for human viewers stems from the raw, ancient qualities both animals embody. Watching such an encounter offers a glimpse into primal survival mechanisms that have remained unchanged for millions of years. Whether the crocodile prevails with its crushing jaws or the python triumphs through strategic constriction, each encounter stands as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of two remarkable species whose evolutionary paths continue to inspire awe in audiences worldwide.